Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. This is biology session. You are watching Diversity in Plant Kingdom. So we have successfully completed the lesson, and in this video we are going to discuss about in the previous contest and what the exercise. Bearing plants and non-vascular spore bearing plants. And vascular are also called angiosperms and gymnosperms. Plants can also assist one way of class. So at 4 based largely on they are to non-vascular by seed structure into those that reproduce through naked seeds, gymnosperms, the covered seeds or spores, or by stature divided into mosses, ferns, shrubs, and trees and herbs. The 24,000 bryophyte species, sometimes grouped into a single phylum, are now grouped in 3 phyla. The mosses, Bryophyta, liverworts. Liverworts come under Hepatophyta, and hornworts, Angiosperms. They reproduce by spores, never have flowers, and can be found growing on the ground, on rocks, and on other plants. The gymnosperms add the next level of complexity to plant evolution. They reproduce from seeds instead of spores. The seeds, however, are naked. Means in Greek, gymnos means not covered by an ovary. Usually the seed is produced inside a like structure such as a pine cone, hence the name. The conifer alleles include 3 small phyla containing fewer than 200 species altogether. Ginkgophyta with a single species, the Ginkgo biloba, and palm-like Cycadophyta, and herb-like cone-bearing plants, Neotophyta, such as ephedra. Okay, the angiosperms are the final improvement to plant reproduction. They grow into seeds inside which is itself embedded in a flower after it is fertilized. The flower falls away okay. The vast majority of the plants are dicots. Most trees, shrubs, vines belong to this group of around 2 lakh species. Most fruits, vegetables, and legumes come from this class. The monocots start with one seed leaf. Of their foliage leaves are usually unbranched and nearly parallel to each other. Around 30,000 plants are classified as monocots, including many of the prettiest members of Kingdom Plantae, orchids, lilies, irises, palms, and even the bird of paradise plant. The grasses which carpet our lawns and meadows are also monocots. Monocots provide us with our primary sources of nutrition, supplying us and the animals we eat with grains such as wheat, oats, and corn, as well as fruits such as dates and bananas, come under the. Okay, so these are the brief review of the concepts. Are you ready, children? Let us read some previous test questions. First question: an example. Here the options are mango and lotus pear. Plants. Okay. Plants. Algae. Hydrophytes. Algae or the aquatic non. Here seed bearing. Okay, but fruits. So no sperms. Is chain and for long time. Worksheet, children, very easy. Listen to the question carefully. Maize is just bright. Maize is a flowering plant, so it's an angiosperm. In nature, it's having two seed leaves. Okay, two seed leaves, so they are dicotyledons. Is limnology, are also called as non-flowering cryptogams. Reproductive structure: bryophyta, gymnosperm, angiosperms. In angiosperms, reproductive structure is which of the following are herbs? Mustard, wheat, lemon, both A and wheat. Yes, both A and B. They are herbs. Belongs to the plant classified into mesophyte, hydrophyte, and normal conditions. Hydrophytes means which live in water, aquatic plants, and xerophytes are the following plants based on the habit as based on the autotrophic name falling allium musca domestica is housed by allium cepa. Okay, it is the onion which are called amphibious of plant algae the includes only okay needles produce fruits in angiosperms. The ferns and mosses are non-flowering plants. Flowering plants angiosperms. Non-flowering plants. Most of the Kingdom Plantae belong to eukarya. Eukarya. Okay, well developed cells. Produce seeds dash, while the flowers producing the plants known as angiosperms, gymnosperms, non-vascular plants, vascular plants, angiosperms. So it is gymnosperms plants that produce plants are called angiosperms. The plant examples in order. Most primitive complex algae, mosses, ferns, pine, lily. Ferns, mosses, algae, lily, pine. Pine, mosses, ferns, lily, algae. The mosses, algae, pine, lily, ferns. What is the correct sequence? Then pine means gymnosperms, lily means angiosperms. Okay. Which of the following is an example of a non-vascular plant? Ferns, pine tree, mosses, and maple tree. Non-vascular. Here mosses are non-vascular. Okay, meaning all vascular. Vascular means which possesses the tissue or vascular tissue, transport tissue, that is xylem and phloem. Okay, mosses are non-vascular. So which of the example of the seedless vascular plant? Seedless vascular pine vascular plant, but seedless. Okay. Next, it's a little confusing. Okay, you need to understand the question. Read it twice. Which of the following is an example of ferns, pine tree, moss, maple tree? It is pine tree, which is a gymnosperm which produce cones. Which of the following is an example of a angiosperm? Ferns, pine tree, mosses, maple tree. Maple tree which produce the flowers, so it is a angiosperm. As mosses, neither nor true. What are the root-like structures found on the mosses that anchor the plant to the ground and take through diffusion? Hyphae, mycelium, sporangia, rhizoids. So these non-vascular plants, root-like structures, they are called rhizoids. Okay, and these rhizoids, okay, the stem-like structure is called rhizome. The rhizoids are the root-like structures. The seedless seeds, spores, egg, sperm. Spores, okay, reproductive units in most of the cryptogams. angiosperms means naked seed. This category of the plant is appropriately named this because they carry seeds in flowers, fruits, cones, spores. Okay, they are conifers, so cones. Angiosperms plant use cones, flowers. Okay, so simple questions. Vascular plants with seeds are split into what two groups? Okay, based on the seeds, angiosperms are vascular plants with seed are split into what two groups? So naked seeded plants and the seed embedded in the fruits. What are they? Angiosperms, bryosperms, angiosperms, aimstoday, sporophyte, sporophytes, following is an example of next. Seeds in cones are called gymnosperms, angiosperms, flowers, mosses. Gymnosperms. Okay, conceptual type questions. Okay. Root phloem, xylem and conduct the water mineral salts, phloem materials from leaves to other parts of the plant. Okay, plants are divided into two major groups: minute and classes of this. It is Angiophyte and bryophytes. And seeds, mosses, conifers, flowering plants. Okay, once again, mosses. Last question. This plants is and used with spores, mosses, fronds. Fronds are present. The fronds show the spores. Okay, beneath it. So fronds. Okay, children. In the previous Olympiads and competitive so diversity. Okay, so keep reading. Video, please subscribe to the channel and press the like latest